This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up, traffic, and business decisions. Hello, I am Marcus Miller. Welcome to day 23 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-day launch sprint. Today, we are going to talk about improving your follow-up emails. In day 22, we focused on your capture page. We talked about the headline, the benefit, the form, the button, the mobile experience, and the importance of turning attention into a lead. Now we are moving one step deeper into the process. Because once someone becomes a lead, your follow-up emails become the next major part of the path. This is where the conversation continues. Your ad gets attention. Your capture page gets the lead. Your follow-up builds understanding. That is why your emails matter so much. A lot of marketers stop after the lead is captured. They think the hard part is over. But the truth is, the lead is only the beginning. The real question is, what happens after the person joins your list? Do they receive a clear welcome message? Do they understand why they join? Do they know what to do next? Do your emails help them trust the process? Do your messages guide them step by step? That is what follow-up is supposed to do. Your follow-up does not need to be perfect, but it should be clear, it should be helpful, it should be organized, and it should give the reader a reason to keep opening your messages. Today, we are going to look at how to improve those emails. The first thing to review is your subject line. Your subject line affects whether people open the email. If the subject line is confusing, boring, too hyped, or too vague, fewer people may open it. A good subject line should be clear and interesting. It should match the email, and it should not mislead the reader. For example, instead of saying, "You have to see this now," you could say, "Your next follow-up step is ready," instead of saying, "Secret system revealed." You could say, "Why your traffic needs follow-up." Instead of saying, "Guaranteed results inside," you could say, "A simple way to keep prospects connected. Those are more trustworthy. They still create interest, but they do not sound fake." The second thing to review is your opening line. The first few lines of your email matter. They should make the person want to keep reading. A weak opening might say, "Here is another email from me." That does not create much interest. A stronger opening might say, "Most people lose traffic because they never create a follow-up path." Or, "If someone joins your list, the next message they receive matters." Or, "Your lead is not the finish line. It is the beginning of the conversation." Those openings connect to a real idea. They give the reader a reason to continue. The third thing to review is the main point of the email. Every email should have one main idea, not 5, not 10, one. If your email is about list building, keep it about list building. If it is about follow-up, keep it about follow-up. If it is about testing links, keep it about testing links. Do not overload the reader. A confused reader usually does nothing. So ask yourself, what is the one thing this email is trying to teach? If you cannot answer that easily, the email may need to be simplified. The fourth thing to review is the call to action. Every follow-up email should guide the reader somewhere. Watch this lesson. Click this link. Log into your account. Set up your username. Review your capture page. Complete today's action step. The call to action should be clear. Do not hide it. Do not make the reader guess. Do not give them too many different links. One main call to action is usually best. The fifth thing to review is the tone. Does your email sound like a real person? Does it feel helpful? Does it feel professional? Does it respect the reader? Or does it sound too robotic, too pushy, or too hyped? Tone matters because follow-up is about relationship. You are not just sending information. You are building trust over time. A calm, confident, helpful tone can make a big difference. The sixth thing to review is length. Some emails can be longer when they teach something important, but many follow-up emails should be easy to read. Use short paragraphs. Keep the flow clean. Avoid huge blocks of text. Remember, many people are reading on mobile. If the email looks heavy, they may not read it. Now let's talk about what your stats can tell you. If people are not opening your emails, review your subject lines. If people open but do not click, review the email message and call to action. If people click but do not take the next step, review the destination page. This is important because you do not want to fix the wrong thing. If your subject line is weak, changing the capture page will not fix the email open rate. If your call to action is unclear, changing the ad message may not fix email clicks. Follow the path. Look where people are stopping. Improve that part. That is how you use stats wisely. Now, here is a simple improvement checklist for your emails. Subject line. Is it clear and honest? Opening. Does it pull the reader into the message? Main point. Is there one clear idea? Call to action. Is the next step obvious? Tone. Does it sound human and helpful? Length. Is it easy to read? Link. Does it work? Mobile. Does it look clean on a phone? If you review your emails with that checklist, you will start seeing where improvements can be made. Now let's use an example. Weak email. Hi, this is a great system. You should join now because this can change everything. Click all the links below and check out everything. Do not miss out. That email is vague. It has too much pressure. It does not teach anything. It does not build much trust. Now here is a stronger version. Hi, most people focus on getting traffic, but traffic without follow-up can disappear quickly. That is why your next step is to build a simple follow-up path. Start with one message that welcomes the prospect and points them to the next step. Watch today's training here. Place your referral link here. Take it one step at a time. Talk soon. Your name. That version is clearer. It teaches one idea. It has one link. It feels more helpful. That is the kind of improvement you want. Now, do not try to rewrite every email at once. Pick one. Improve one email today, then improve another one tomorrow. This keeps the process manageable. Small improvements across multiple emails can make your entire campaign stronger over time. Now let's connect this to LeadsLeap SendSteed. Open your follow-up campaign. Look at your first few messages. Start with the welcome message. That message is very important because it sets the tone. Make sure it welcomes the reader. Make sure it reminds them what they requested. Make sure it gives one clear next step. Then look at the second and third messages. Do they build on the first one? Do they continue the same direction? Do they teach and guide? Or do they feel random? Your campaign should feel like a path, not a pile of disconnected emails. That is the key. A good follow-up sequence should feel organized. Email 1 welcomes. Email 2 teaches. Email 3 explains. Email 4 guides. Email 5 encourages. Each message moves the reader forward. Today's action step is simple. Open your LeadsLeap SendSteed follow-up campaign. Choose one email, review the subject line, review the opening, review the main idea, review the call to action, review the tone, review the link, then make one improvement, only one email today. Make it clearer, more helpful, and easier to act on. Then save it. That is day 23 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you learned that your follow-up emails should not just exist. They should guide the reader. When your emails are clear, helpful, focused, and organized, your prospects have a better chance of understanding the next step. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about building your first weekly review habit so you can keep improving your traffic, capture page, and follow-up system over time. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 24.